How to create Turnitin student account without class ID. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the most possible way for you to be able to create Turnitin student account without your class ID. Now, there is actually a lot of process or ways for you to be able to do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest one. So first is to pull up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now we will be opening up Google Docs by typing in Google Docs and then choose one of their first results so that you'll be redirected into the docs.google's official website. In here, just simply open up a blank document, this one, and then as you can see, there are options here like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, extensions, and help. Just simply open up extensions, add-ons, and then get add-ons. Now we will be getting an add-ons for our Google Docs so we can create an account without a class ID. That add-on is going to be Turnitin Graph Coach. Now once you hit on enter, you can go ahead and tap on Turnitin Graph Coach and just simply log in to any available email address that you can use, and by there you can check if it is properly working. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to create Turnitin student account without class ID.